Another one of our core values at Edifice is to own our mistakes. And this plays right into the warranty detail that we're talking about here today. When you buy a building, it's not done when the driver delivers, shakes your hand, and drives away. In your hand, you'll be holding a delivery packet with a warranty statement in there. And that warranty statement has your shed's serial number on it, it has your name on it, and it has our commitment on it. We hope that this builds confidence from you towards us, and we don't expect you to be the only one remembering about this warranty. In fact, we reach out to our customers on a yearly basis and remind all of you that, hey, you have a warranty. If you have an issue, we want to know about it.